Good morning, students. As you know, we have started chapter number 3, that's business environment. Okay, and we know what makes the business environment means the area, the surrounding area, the factors that makes the environment of any business. What are these factors? These are like social factors, economic factor, legal and technological factors. These factors get together and they make the business environment, right? It is very necessary to understand the business environment. Okay, necessary for the businessman to understand it. So that will be very good for the businessman, and he can get through any of the problem which comes in the way. And contrary to this, if one is not aware of the business environment, what is happening in the legal area and what is happening in the economy and what is happening in the political arena, so that will be difficult for that person, fine, to survive in this market. So it's really very important. And what are the importance? That is, we are going to study today importance of business environment. First one, it is telling enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting first mover advantage. Students, business environment teaches you that identify the opportunities, which things are in the surroundings, like do you have the business opportunity? So if you study the business environment, only then you can find out the opportunity, and if you don't study, you will not find. So it's telling businessmen who are able to understand and scan the opportunities of business environment at early stage, they get the maximum benefit. For example, they have taken this example of the Maruti, and it was the first company who has identified the needs of the middle class people. This Maruti company identified that middle class people, they need a car which is like having very average maintenance cost and all, and they identified the requirement and they have manufactured this car for the people, and still the company is legend, right? One more example they have taken of the WhatsApp. This was the first social media application, and after this so many other applications came, but still WhatsApp is on a number one because they identified the requirement of the people in the society, right? Means they have discussed or they have studied the business environment, and according to the requirement of the people, they have provided that product in the market. So what they have done, they have identified the opportunity, right, and they have availed that and they have provided that product, fine. Next one, it's telling helps the firm to identify the threats and early warning signal. Now this point is telling, the first one was opportunity, you have identified the opportunity, very good. Second one telling now another thing you have to identify, that is what? Threat and early warning signal. Some threats can be there for you in the market, means your rival is coming or competitor is coming, or maybe there is a little problem in your product where the customers doesn't like that. So you have to understand, you have to identify that threat and you have to work on that, and you have to remove that problem, fine. Only then you can survive in the market. So they have taken an example. It's telling the businessmen who are able to scan and understand the business environment on time get a warning signal to deal with the constraints and negative policies, fine. Some pressures are there, negative policies are there in the business environment, problems, hai na? So easily if you have identified, so you can remove that. So they are telling on scanning the business environment, Maruti Udyog company, fine, it found it got the information that some foreign car manufacturing companies are coming in the market. So that was a big threat for the Maruti company, because when they are providing the new product, new technology will be there, so most of the customers will be diverting to them. So they have identified this threat and they have done certain changes in their production policies, and the features which they were not having, they started providing. Earlier they were delaying in the delivery, now they have started giving the delivery right in time. So whatever the problems they were having in their marketing and in their production part, so they have removed all those problems. So that way they were able to compete in the market and they could face their rivals properly, fine. So how that became possible? Because they have identified the threats right in time. Okay, students. Now third one, it is telling helpful in tapping and assembling resources. This point tells that businessmen have to supply the goods to market according to the demand in market. Students, we know that this is the changing environment. If the demand changes of your product, so we don't have to stick up with the old product, right? We have to focus on the new demand, what your customers want, and we have to divert from that product to the new one. Whatever they were asking earlier, now they are not asking. So we should also leave the previous product and we should shift to the new one. We should focus on the new product. Okay. So they are telling to supply output, they need input. Okay. Raw materials, etc. Means now you want to provide the new product. So for that new product, that is your output. For providing that output, you need some input. You need some raw material. Earlier you are having the black and white TV. Now the demand is of the color TV. No, not even color TV, LED and LCDs. So which product, or you can say the which raw material you need for the LED and LCDs, that you need to purchase, not the old material. So they are emphasizing on this only. You should understand the change demand of the customers, and you should acquire your input according to the output. Fine. So they have taken an example. Manufacturers, these LEDs manufacturers are collecting resources necessary to manufacture LED and 3D TVs rather than collecting resources of black and white TV. Fine. Now they want the LEDs, so they will find out the raw material which we use for the LEDs, not for the black and white. All right, students. Now next, emphasizing, they are telling they use the scanning report as input, and it helps in tapping useful resources. Like business enterprises assembles various resources such as finance, machines and all. Now this is quite good that you have identified right in time and you have diverted from the old product to the new one. But it is not so easy as we have said they have diverted from old one to new one. So many challenges you have to face in this journey. So what are those one? You need finance, machines, raw materials, power, water, labor, etc. All these things you require. So organizations have to make policies so that it get the resources that it need to convert into output desired by the environment. And this can be done only by understanding what environment has to offer. Fine. All these things we require, and of course we require all these things from the environment. If you study the environment properly, so we can arrange all these things properly and we can get removed this problem. Right, students? Our next point is help to adjust and adapt with the rapid changes. You know, students, the things are changing very fast these days, and there is a great impact or effect on the business of all these changes. If there is economical changes, it is affecting the business. If political changes are there, so it is affecting. And if the fashion has changed, of course this also affects on the business. So whatever the changes are there, they affect the business, right? So it is very much essential for us to understand these changes, and if we understand these changes very fast, so we can do the changes in our strategy, in our policies and all that. So business environment scanning helps. If you have scanned the business environment, what has happened, what changes have taken place, so this helps the companies to scan and understand the changes. So easily you can understand all these. If you have scanned the environment, you have studied it properly, so you have finded out the changes. Now you can formulate your plans and policies. They have taken one example. Due to increased competition, customers are becoming more demanded. We know that competition is there, the different offers are given, discounts are given, they are reducing the prices even, right? So customers are demanding more and more items. So what policy business has to adopt? They should be, the product should be readily available. As the demand comes, the supply should be there. So they have to adopt the best technology they have to adopt. So that way they must understand what kind of changes are going to place and how they have to react on that. So your study of the business environment helps you out. Next point is telling assisting in planning and policies making. Students, if we have scanned the business environment, means we have studied the business environment, so easily we can plan the policies and strategies according to the business environment. So this is must for us to study the business environment. Well, they have taken the example, and the example is, on scanning the Indian business environment, we find there is a great scope for the tourism industry in our country, right? So this we have find it out with the help of the study or scanning of the business environment. I've done the study. I found there is a scope of the business of hotel, and you can say tourism. Initially tourism we have calculated. Now we just knew about the tourism industry. What other things are attached to the tourism industry? There we have to work. Okay, like your hotel business is there, and you can say the public and private sectors are working in the different fields, and new strategies you have to formulate regarding that. Your traveling agencies are working for that. So this is all possible, this has become possible because of the study of the business environment, right? If you study it properly, then you can formulate your plan and policies. Next point is telling improvement in performance. It's very clear. If you have studied something in advance, so that gives you the benefit. So if we have studied the business environment, all the aspects or dimensions of the business environment we have studied, so our performance increases. I have studied the economical, political, legal aspects, all the area of the business environment I have studied. So I will be ready for the problems, whatever I may come across in the way, right? So that improves your performance and efficiency of the business. What is that? That is business environment. So here we have completed all the importance of business environment, students. Fine. So learn it properly and be ready for the test. Very soon there will be test of chapter number 1. Thank you.